Whoa, oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, that is a lot of emails. Come on, guys. You know that we could just get this done with just a quick, simple meeting. But now that there's been so many, I don't even know what to even schedule or what the agenda would even be.
Hi, I'm your friendly neighborhood AI, and it looks like you have an email problem.
Yeah, I do need some help, but everybody keeps replying and there's no way that I can understand what's going on and be able to catch up on this email to be able to set the meeting. It would take forever. I don't know if we have that much time.
What if I told you in less than 30 seconds, I could read that entire email, give you a summary and an agenda so you can schedule that meeting?
No way.
Let me show you.
In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick, easy prompt that will give you a good, clean agenda so you can read that email, get caught up, and schedule that meeting in less than 30 seconds. Hi, everybody. My name is Mike, and this is the Agile Experience, where we use Agile skills to learn more about AI and bump up our AI skills so we can become AI facilitators and survive this AI revolution. If this sounds like something you guys are interested in, please give me a like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So we've all been there. We've seen this email go back and forth multiple times, sometimes up to 30 times. And you kind of think, well, if we would have just had a quick meeting, this email would have been solved and we would have moved on. All right, let me show you an example that I created just so you guys get some context. So as you guys can see here, there's a sample email that I created that can go 4 pages. This recently happened to me where I had an email that probably had 30 replies on it. It was very difficult trying to figure out what was being said. But when I read some of it, I got the gist that they were talking about payments and payment schedules. I knew that this was a bigger discussion that needed to happen in person rather than over email. So I used AI to create a good summary and agenda and set that as my meeting invite to bring all these people together and make a clear decision on how we move forward. Next part is the prompt. I always like using the RCGo, but you guys don't always have to do that. In this one, I decided to just do clear logical steps that I wanted the AI to go through. I wanted it to create an email summary, write 2 to 4 sentences, clearly explain what the issue, decisions, or outcomes are, and then the discussion points, list only the top 3 to 5 important discussion topic items. Exclude any side conversations, greetings, or any extra information that's not really relevant. Next, I decided to have it say the current direction. Summarize the agreed path moving forward. Include up to 2 key next steps if multiples were discussed. And then the guidelines. This is how I wanted it to put the output. Keep my summary brief and executive friendly. Let's focus on business impact decisions only, and let's remove any duplicate information. And as you guys can see, this is the prompt output. It's very clean, concise, short, so you want to keep it clear and exactly what you guys are going to try to accomplish in your meeting. So this talks about the summary. What are we talking about? The discussion points and the current direction. It decided that there was no real clear direction in my sample email, so that's what we need to discuss. What direction are all the teams going to agree upon to move forward through this problem? And that's all it takes, is to have a good, clean AI prompt that you can reuse every time to summarize your long, lengthy emails and get that agenda so you can schedule and make those important decisions at each one of your guys' work. If you guys like what I'm doing, give me a like, share, and subscribe. Or if you guys have any questions, give me a comment down below and I can try to answer those questions for you and help you guys become AI facilitators. If you guys like the prompt, it is in the description along with a link to my newsletter. So please go ahead and sign up for that so then I can send you out that newsletter when it's ready. Thank you, everybody. And I hope to see you guys next time on the Agile Experience.